Hello, I'm Claude Tillerson, and this is my graphic design video. Graphic design is the process of organizing and composing words and images to create a message. Graphic designers are visual communicators who create these messages to inform or persuade you, to help you categorize and identify things, and to help you make choices. For example, to buy this certain brand of shoe or not to text while driving. Graphic designer often use lines, the outer face, outside, or exterior boundary of a thing, outermost or uppermost layer or area. A line is a path on a two-dimensional plane. Using lines is the simplest way to communicate visually. For example, on this Kellogg's Apple Jacks box, many lines are used to create the outline of their company brand or to make a small crevice in their cinnamon roll, or in a more larger way, they used a line to represent an apple. Shapes are the external forms or appearance characteristic of someone or something, the outline of an area or figure. When a line's ends meet or overlap to enclose a space, a shape is created. Like this Fruit Loops box, many shapes are used. For example, to create their brand, to create the F in what they're selling, or to use their food itself, or to create the toucan, which now, because people have seen this box, people often associate Fruit Loops with a toucan, their mascot. Color is the property possessed by an object of producing different sensations on the eye as a result of the way the object reflects or emits light. Color is used to communicate a mood or convey visual cues about feeling, create emphasis, and provide a hierarchy of information. For example, many people associate yellow with optimism and blue with trust, as used in this macaroni box. They use primarily blue and yellow, which yellow, using this much, provides a sense of optimism, while using the rest as blue, it's trustworthy, it's dependable, it's easy to make, and it's always there when you need it. Now going back to lines and shapes, they used a circle around their macaroni and cheese logo. On its own, it's bland and doesn't really mean anything, but by using a macaroni cheese right there, it kind of creates a smiley face, which gives a sense of joy, and as previously mentioned, optimism. Space is often used, that it's the dimensions of height, depth, and width within which all things exist and move. So by using space in this Apple Jacks box, once again, it is often filled with positive space by using their food, their characters, and their logo. But their negative space is somewhat filled as well by creating a swirl that's coming from the cinnamon. It kind of applies texture, which texture is the outer face, outside, or exterior boundary of a thing, outermost or uppermost layer or area. Texture is the way a surface feels or appear to feel. The way something feels is the actual texture. For example, these headphones, they feel like plastic. This cardboard box feels like cardboard. Or the counter, it feels hard, it feels flat. That will be actual texture. Implied texture is invented. It is created on a two-dimensional plane more often than not. This is implied texture. It kind of provides a cinema feel, but it feels like cardboard. You draw a soft kitten on a piece of paper. You feel that picture, it feels like paper. That is implied texture. companies often use these things to appeal to certain audiences. If you want to appeal to, let's say, children, you want to create children characters, for example, or you want to make somebody feel happy. You could be discreet about it and small, but you could create this. That's my video. Thank you for talking, or thank you for watching, and yeah.